Machine Learning Online Class, Tutorials and Curriculum, Tonex Training. Machine Learning Class. Experience the evolving advances with Tonex Training. Machine learning is presently among the advances with the quickest progressions and is relied upon to arrive at the standard selection in the following hardly any years. Innovative capacities, for example, framework and specialized aptitudes are additionally expected to progress to stay aware of the development of machine learning. Machine Learning Tonex. Introduction to Machine Learning Course, Machine Learning Tutorial, Online Machine Learning Curriculum, Free Machine Learning Certification, Machine Learning Tonex Prize, Machine Learning Course Syllabus. Machine learning is broadly utilized in information investigation as a strategy to create algorithms for making forecasts on information. This is the reason machine learning is identified with direct polynomial math, insights and likelihood. Machine learning is comprehensively arranged into three sorts. Reinforcement learning computer program connects with a powerful situation, and it must play out a specific objective without guide or educator. Unsupervised learning, computer is given contributions without wanted yields, the objective is to discover structure in inputs. Supervised learning computer is given data sources and their ideal yields. The objective is to gain proficiency with a general principle to delineate to the yield. Machine learning, all about the data. Machine learning programming comprises of algorithms. In mathematics and software engineering, an algorithm is an unambiguous particular of how to take care of a class of issues. Algorithms can perform figuring, information handling, computerized thinking in different undertakings. Obviously, there is significantly more to find out about machine learning and AI than Tonex can help. Tonex offers several AI, artificial intelligence, and machine learning courses to address the issues of associations or people. Request more information regarding Tonex machine learning class. Visit tonex.com for course and workshop detail.